Today's adventure starts at Mrs. Fig's school.
The cake. Bake the queen.
Mrs. Fig isn't lovely.
Only problem is the apples are starting to fall.
Oh!
Oh dear, my poor magic school. Broken!
Well, you're a fairy. Can't you just...
Magic always leads to
diabetes.
I want to mend the school by using magic.
Well, you're in luck. I'm a fairy.
We'll have a cake stall.
Psych!
A cake stall? It sounds fun. Let's tell everyone to get baking. Daddy! Daddy!
Get out!
Daddy! Daddy! Mrs. Fig is asking everybody to bake cakes to raise money.
Bake cakes? Don't tell your mother about that.
About what, darling?
Mrs. Fig is running a cake stall.
Oh, how exciting! I'll bake some cakes.
Really?
Then I'd better start straight away.
Oh, no.
What is it, Daddy?
Oh, no. She bakes horrible cakes, and she gets very upset if anyone bakes... My Mom!
Dum-de-dum-de-dee-dee-doo-doo. The Queen baking cakes! Yes, Nanny Plum. Would you like to try a cake?
Get out!
Cakes! Cakes! The cakes! Baking the Queen!
I know.
The cakes queens can't be that bad.
They're worse than bad. They're...
Who wants to try my lovely cakes? I've got rock cakes.
They look too good to eat.
You don't want to eat them, do you?
I can't try them.
Have a rock cake. Try the fudge cake.
Isn't it my Mom's turn?
Don't you want my fudge cake?
Of course I do.
What do you think? Tasty?
What the fuck?
What's he saying?
Oh, I think his mouth is... Try the bread. Dunk it in your coffee. That will make it all soft and yummy.
The coffee's just rolled off it. It's completely dry.
Oh no! It's broken!
Rock hard rock cakes, super sticky rock cake, waterproof ginger fudge.
We'll have to warn the whole of the little kingdom. The Queen's baking cakes. Hello, cake time, everyone.
Get out!
You don't want my cakes.
Oh, yes, we do.
Oh, good then. I'll put them here. That should raise Mrs. Fig.
Keep clear of the cakes. Eat them.
Ooh, cakes.
Wait! It's
Diabetes.
Oh, the Queen baking again. What can these things be made of? I want to do some tests on these cakes. This machine tests how strong things are. Let's start with something very weak, like this egg. The egg had a strength of 5. Now let's try a brick. The brick had a strength of 1.
Why you always lying?
Let's try the Queen's rock cake.
6, 9. It's reached 11.
11? 11? Nothing has gone to 11 before. Stand back, everyone! No, cake is the strongest substance. Let's see how waterproof it is. Amazing! Maybe they can be used for something else.
I do hope I've made enough cakes. What if they need more for the cake stall?
More cake, please.
Oh, goody! They love my cakes. I'd better get baking.
Who's eating all these cakes?
Wise old elf.
Why do you want more?
These cakes are the perfect building material. Strong bricks are super.
A waterproof gingerbread makes great roof tiles.
Amazing! But of course, you must tell the Queen.
Tell the Queen what? Oh, Mrs. Fig, you've mended the school.
Let's just say...
You must die!
Hang on. These bricks look just like my rock cakes. This cement is just like my fudge cake. It is my fudge cake.
Oh no! At least she hasn't spotted the roof!
Ginger roof tiles are bread. You didn't want to eat my cakes. I thought everybody liked my cakes, but everybody did. I wish I'd never baked a single cake.